My name is Dr. Kristen Sandoz.
And I am Dr. Jacob Sandoz. And yes, we are married, and we both went to AUA together. And it was absolutely great. It was a bit of a unique experience because we're some small town folks who come from a little bitty old town in Louisiana. So it was new and something that I think made us grow a lot. We learned a new culture. We met people from all over the world. At the same time, we were studying medicine exactly what we wanted to do, and it was getting us to where we needed to be.
I agree, and I think attending AUA together was a phenomenal experience. You go there, you meet plenty of friends. You're all in the experience together. Everyone is there studying together. You have your professors there to help you. You have all of your classmates who are all going through the same thing.
We were on the island for about 2 years. We were well prepared to come back to the U.S. and start doing our clinical rotations. AUA has clinical sites in Miami with FIU, in Atlanta, in Chicago, in New York, and a little bit in Ohio as well as California. I don't think I can remember the whole list, but we chose Atlanta. We voiced our desire to stay together, and AUA provided that the whole step of the way. When we got to clinicals, it was nerve-wracking. We thought it was going to be stressful and tough, but we were very well prepared for it. And I can honestly say that it wasn't that much of a hurdle to switch from knowing stuff out of a textbook and starting to see patients and apply it to patients in everyday life.
For our fourth year, AUA actually has an opportunity to go ahead and do away rotations, and you're able to set up rotations at other clinical sites that are not affiliated with AUA. So we chose to do ours all throughout Louisiana since that is our home state. We did some rotations in New Orleans, some in Lafayette, Louisiana, and also some in Shreveport. And that was a great opportunity just to make connections and to network with other attending physicians and other residency programs.
We kind of tested them out. They didn't test us out. We figured out where we wanted to go for residency, and we knew what we were getting ourselves into when we were ranking our programs on our rank list for residency, and we got exactly what we wanted and where we wanted to go, so that's awesome.
So for someone considering AUA or just a career in medicine in general, the advice that I would give them is to just go for it and do not give up. It is a long, hard process, but as long as you put your all into it and as long as you stay determined and you stay focused on your goal and remember what you're going to be doing when you come out of school and residency, then there's nothing that can stop you, whether you go to an American medical school or a Caribbean medical school. As long as you are determined and you put your all into it, you will come out on top.